Hi, I am Markus. Let's talk about the new kid on the AI block. NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell Server Edition. An AI project is like a house building project. Different phases with different tools and different skill sets. So you want to build your own dream house, but you don't have the time to design and build everything by yourself. So you go to a catalog house provider that has 10 different readily designed houses to choose from. This is exactly how most companies start their AI journey. They don't write code from scratch. They look for a catalog house, a pre-trained base model. Now imagine the manufacturing phase. The house provider uses huge lorries, cranes, drills and heavy machinery to build the raw structure of the house from the ground up. This massive industrial effort is the model training phase. If your customer is doing this, if they are building a proprietary LLM, they need the biggest, most powerful hardware in the world. They need HPE XD platforms with NVIDIA B300 or an AI factory. It's massive, but for pouring concrete, erecting steel beams or training a new model, it is absolutely the right tool for the job. But here's the reality. Most probably your customers aren't designing and building the house from scratch. They are buying the ready catalog model. So the house arrives on your lot. It's amazing. Heating is on, water is connected, AC works. You are ready to move in. But it doesn't quite feel like your home yet. You would like the flooring wooden, bedroom paint darker, and the alarm to turn on automatically. It's the same with the AI model. It speaks English, but it doesn't know your business. It doesn't feel quite ready just yet. So, time to do the finishing touches and get to decorating. When your customer takes that base model and decorates it with their own private data, that's called fine-tuning. And here's the key. Do they need to keep a massive industrial crane parked on a driveway just to hang some shelves or change the wallpaper? Of course not. That would be a waste of money and space. What they need now is a set of precise power tools. This is the NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell. The NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 is the ultimate power tool for your broad range of workloads like AI, VDI, rendering, analytics and simulation. It's precise, it's fast, and better yet, it's cost effective. Now it's a home. All you need to do now is enjoy living. This is the AI inferencing phase. Inferencing is when you start seeing the results of your work. AI helping you write emails, summarizing meetings, analyzing sales data, brainstorming, all that. And this needs to run 24/7. And here's the kicker. Think of the CPU as you, the homeowner. For years, you've been stuck doing all the heavy chores by hand. Washing dishes, scrubbing floors, doing laundry. It's exhausting. The RTX PRO 6000 is like installing a dishwasher and a robot vacuum. It takes the heavy repetitive grinding, like rendering, simulation and data analytics, off your hands and gives it to the purpose-built appliances. They do the heavy lifting so you, the CPU, can focus on what you do best, managing the household. That is a massive efficiency bump and a cost saving. And that is the best part, cost. RTX PRO 6000 is about 1/2 or 1/3 of the cost compared to B200 or B300. Just like power tools are way cheaper than a crane or a bulldozer. Plus, HPE is maximizing your cost savings by providing all the software you need to get the most out of your RTX PRO 6000 investment in one single bundle, the NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Server Software Kit. It combines NVIDIA AI Enterprise, NVIDIA Omniverse Enterprise, and NVIDIA VPC and VWS, enabling customers to accelerate AI, visual compute, and enterprise workloads. This delivers a massive discount of up to 50% off the list price of the standalone software. And you don't even have to go shopping for these appliances one by one. To speed up your move-in, HPE has created small, medium and large configurations based off of NVIDIA reference architectures. Pairing the right ProLiant server foundation, like the HPE ProLiant Compute DL380A Gen 12, with the perfect set of RTX Pro 6000 tools. Whether you are in financial services or manufacturing, these compute solutions are like buying a fully furnished home with cleaning and maintenance service. You just unlock the door and start living. It's a perfect marriage. NVIDIA brings the high-tech lifestyle, the GPUs that automate your work. HPE brings the peace of mind, providing the locks and security system with HPE iLO, the smart home dashboard with HPE Compute Ops Management, and the on-call expert maintenance crew with HPE TechCare services, keeping your home running smoothly. You get the world's best appliances running inside the world's safest, smartest building. Oh, one more thing about HPE Private Cloud AI, the HPE and NVIDIA co-engineered turnkey solution for fine-tuning and inferencing. It's now moving from H200s to RTX Pro 6000. H200 is like intense construction equipment, incredibly capable for massive builds, but larger, more power-hungry and more expensive. While H200 brings exceptional LLM performance, the RTX Pro 6000 clears out all that heavy gear and installs the high-end, smart appliances you actually need. It's the practical fit for most production AI environments without the construction site price tag. NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell is a big deal. It's an enterprise AI Swiss Army knife. First off, it's a singular focused on what the AI industry urgently needs: inferencing. It brings the costs of inferencing down without sacrificing performance or end results. Secondly, RTX Pro 6000 not only runs AI, but many of your traditional enterprise IT workloads as well. This simplifies your environment and cuts costs with up to 4-to-1 GPU consolidation. By the way, HPE ProLiant Compute DL380A Gen 12 supports up to 8 RTX Pro 6000s in just 4 rack units. If you prefer a smaller package, ProLiant Compute DL380 Gen 12 and DL385 Gen 11 support 2 RTX Pro 6000s in only 2 rack units. Combining the power of RTX Pro 6000 with the state-of-the-art HPE ProLiant Compute Gen 12 servers gives customers a more efficient option to run AI in their environments. A dream, state-of-the-art house for half the price. That was all from me. See you with the next video.